name is Usman Qureshi. I'm a senior at Wakefield High School via the Arlington YMCA. So I was in my school's Model United Nations program throughout my high school, and when I found out that this club had been formed, I sort of thought that local government matters a lot more to me personally than the international government. So I decided to give it a try, and I liked it. I'm enjoying it a lot more because the initial nervousness has disappeared.
I'm David Katouche from YMCA Arlington, and I'm from Wakefield High School. Well, I love debating, and whether it's politics or just about which movie is better, debating is something that's been a keen interest of mine since I want to say since I was in elementary school, because I remember for a young age I was always playing the devil's advocate. So just like Usman, I first heard about it through Model United Nations, when I realized that it was just another form of debate, but it's you have a lot more freedom so that you're able to actually write your own bills and actually lobby for what you want to pass in Virginia. I was like, holy cow, how am I not going to do this? This is something where I actually get away with stuff I want.
I am a senator, and I am also the bill patron for one of our bills, as is she. I tend to like the committee meetings because I think it's really interpersonal, and you can really talk to people one-on-one, and you get to speak a lot more, so you get to hear other people's perspectives.
I liked the entire House meeting because you get to talk to a lot of different people, and you get to hear so many different people's perspectives on things.
So I've been a reporter. I have been running between the Capitol building and the Modern General Assembly building, running around with my camera, asking poignant questions to lawmakers. The hardest part for a reporter is budgeting your time, finding where to go and when to go. And sometimes people don't want to talk. When you're a reporter, sometimes people don't want to talk because they're tough questions. But a reporter just has to keep pushing. I would definitely recommend the program. It's really great to see how government works, and specifically for me to see how the media works.
It's been really cool getting to speak about bills and hearing other perspectives from around the state because, in Arlington, there's a large liberal majority, and so it's just really interesting to see the other opinions around the state. My bill is about letting felons petition to regain their voting rights while they're still in prison. Well, it has passed. It didn't start in the Senate, it started in the House, but my fellow bill patron was able to pass it in committee as well as in the House without too much of an issue, I think. My favorite part of the conference, I think, has just been listening to other people's bills because people are passionate about really different things on a variety of subjects, so it's been really interesting to hear things about everything from drugs to pesticides.
So I wanted to go my freshman year, but unfortunately I wasn't able to go on the trip, but that kind of gave me a small taste of what the process would be like. And I've always been interested in debate and in legislation. I think that being so close to DC has definitely exposed me to government and all that kind of stuff at a young age, so I've always been interested in it. So last year I was elected House Speaker Pro Temp, so that means this year I am in charge of a chamber for House. It's pretty exciting. So I keep the house in order, and I move through the calendar and make sure that everybody's doing the right thing, and I call on people. The House Speaker is kind of like the filter, because in order to maintain decorum, you can't speak directly to another delegate, so you speak to me instead, and I just kind of filter that to the other person. I just thought that it would be cool to have a bigger position in MGA, because I really enjoyed it so much my sophomore and junior years that I wanted to get to the next step. And for me, I wanted to do something that was that led over a chamber, because that's what I had the most experience in, and I knew what I wanted to do and what I wanted to change.